Had some good coffee. Canteen cup coffee. Good morning, folks. Thanks for tuning in today. You're watching Skills to Survive. I'm down here at the river, as you can see behind me. Just doing a little fishing this morning. Thought I'd get out of the house a little bit and come down and do a little fishing. And might be able to tell I'm sweating like crazy. It's you know, spring is just past us. It's gone to right from winter to summer down here in the south. I mean, it's just crazy. It's gonna be like 90 something degrees today, and today it's I mean, right now I think it's like 70. It's already like 74, 75 degrees already, and of course the humidity's up. But nevertheless, that's not what we're here to talk about today. I got a new Alpha Outpost box for you. So I thought we'd check it out. This month, usually they'll give a couple little hints and stuff about what it is. The only hint that we have this month is called Marooned. So, I mean, I don't know, maybe shipwrecked or something, something along those lines. I'm not quite sure. So, anyway, let's dive right into it here. So stay with me. My name's Chris. Again, you're watching Skills to Survive. We'll be right back. Alright, let's dive right in. I already cut the bottom up and kind of opened it up a little bit, so let's get on in here. So, it says, your first little card here says, what do I do if I fall overboard? So I guess this is, again, kind of themed toward like a shipwreck or some type, canoe, kayak, something like that, if you fall overboard. So Marooned is what it's called. And the river, as you can tell, is literally right here. So I'm on this log, so hopefully I won't dump everything into the river. So, alright, so what I see first here, I see a 3-watt diving flashlight. It's got a little flashlight there. We'll take it out of the box here in just a minute, check it out. Alright, let's see what else we got here. That's pretty cool. Emergency strobe light. You can see that there. Emergency strobe light. So I'll take that out and check it out too. This, I'm not quite sure. We'll look at it here in a second. I don't know. Oh, that's cool. So, signal mirror, definitely something that come in handy. I've said in previous videos, oh, that's cool, and also has a whistle on it as well. So a little lanyard there, so that's really nice. Signal mirrors are nice to have. Also get another cool whistle, orange whistle. These are pretty neat little whistles. They're not Acme whistles or anything, but they are pretty loud. I've used these for several years. Actually, I have one in my my hillpeoplegear bag here, kit back here with me. And then looks like a little keychain, a little Alpha Outpost keychain that's kind of soft, so it floats, so your keys will float. And then there is the patch. So pretty cool kit. Let me move this out of the way and let's see what's in this orange thing here, this orange bag. I'll be right back. All right, before we dive into what's in this orange bag here, here's the flashlight you get. And it looks like it takes a couple of AA batteries. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any. I don't have any AA batteries in my kit today. But nevertheless, we'll go back to the house and put some in here and try it out. I'll put a little video clip or something in there, some pictures. This looks very much similar to a streamlight that I used to use when I was on the ambulance and with the fire department. I had a streamlight that looked exactly like this. It took 4 AA batteries. And it was great. I put it on my helmet and I used it for many years out on wreck scenes and whatnot. So this is LED, so it looks pretty cool. So again, I'll throw in some video or video clip or some pictures of this thing in action. So it does have an on-off switch there. So that's the little flashlight. So cool little flashlight. Comes with a little lanyard too. So here is the strobe. Neat little strobe. Again, it also takes some AA batteries, and I don't have any with me. So again, this is going to be another one that I'll throw in a little video clip when I get back to the house, and then tonight we'll turn it on and show you how it works. But all it does is it apparently just turns. You just turn the head to turn it on. So we'll do that, and hopefully it'll work. So, but yeah, pretty neat little thing, and it's lightweight, so it looks like it's going to float as well. So it does have an O-ring seal on it here, so it does look like it'll float. Got a little lanyard. So inside the bag here, cool little bag. Let's see. Oh wow! So that's cool. Oh, look at that. Marooned. This is a dry bag. Oh, that's also a backpack. don't know if you can see that there. See, there's a backpack, and it does have a couple of, looks like water bottle holders on the side. Do have a zippered pouch on the front here. Nice zippered pouch that goes pretty deep. Looks like it goes, it's pretty wide, pretty deep. So I have to load this up and check this out. This is pretty neat. It's funny, I say this all the time, but it's funny, I was getting ready to do, a buddy of mine just got a canoe recently, and we were getting ready to do a short little trip, maybe on this river here behind me, and go down a few miles. But I don't have a dry bag that's a backpack, and I was looking at getting one of those. I've got several dry bags, but I don't have any that's a backpack. But this is pretty cool. This will definitely hold all of your gear for a day trip, you know, whatnot. So that's definitely going to get some use. That's pretty cool. So anyway, just kind of a quick little video for you of going over this month's Alpha Outpost marooned box. And I'll put in, again, I'll probably put in a couple of clips too of the showing you how to use the signal mirror and see if it works pretty well, which seems like it will. So anyway, I'll put those in as well. And yeah, another awesome box from those guys over at Alpha Outpost. You know, like I said, they're really kicking out some cool boxes. And you know, for gear, guys, if you really like some outdoor gear, and maybe you're fairly new, or maybe you're a seasoned veteran like myself, and you like to have some cool gear, definitely check these guys out. Click the link down below in the description, sign up. I think you get your first box for $5, and yeah, check them out. It's definitely worth a shot, and let's see if you like it. So anyway, thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you on another video real soon. Always remember your PPE, plan, prepare, and exercise. Always make sure you have the necessary skills to survive, and also with the necessary skills, sometimes you need the necessary tools as well, and having some of these items here will definitely help you out if you get marooned. So thanks, folks. Y'all have a great day.